All right, let's take a look, see what's happening right now. So we understand that on the weekly, we're in an area of exhaustion. However, we don't want to jump to conclusions and assume that, boom, we're just going to go bearish just because we're there. Got to look for signs. So I go on the 4 hour, and this is an interesting situation because, take this off, actually right here. So if we look at it from here, when we're saying, okay, when can I take sells safely and not be scared that it's just going to be short term or super short term? Typically, you need a bearish candle, and then you need another bearish candle here. Except we didn't get that. We didn't get that at all. We got bearish, bullish. So it has every right to continue bullish, right? So now on the 1 hour, when I adjust this and see what price is doing, not only did we close back in this range, but we created higher lows ever since then. So basically, my thing was, okay, if I can just track bearish, bullish, create a support, bearish, bullish, create a support, bearish, bullish, create a support. The only thing I'm looking for is I'm waiting to see when a violation of that happens. And I can go ahead and look on my 30-minute to see when we break this pattern of higher lows, right? So we have this candle, and I'll accept it because it's nice and thick, even though we have hella seller's exhaustion on this side, right? But then we have this candle, and that's the candle that really does it for me because it's a full bearish engulfing candle that's underneath this zone right here. So it makes sense to me. So to me, I'm like, okay, I know that the 4 hour is still making higher lows. However, I understand where we are, but it's just like, we don't know for sure if this is the beginning of, if this is like this, what I'm looking at, right? Mainly because of what I've been taught and the fact that this is more so tested. Hold on. Bearish. Oh, this is on the 3 hour. See, now on the 3 hour, it looks legit. On the 3 hour, it looks good. It looks good. So if by any chance this really is like a break of structure for real, then this minor break of support would be the start of the lower high. And if it's not, if the 4 hour is just going to continue to make higher lows and we just continue, then this is really the only switch that we would need to have. I think that if price, so for right now, we see prices making lower highs. If price were to stop that pattern and break a lower high with 2 bullish candles, breaking that, then it's just like, okay. Also, if we still have like, ooh, this is the 4 hour. Damn, hold on. Bearish, bullish support. This might be the beginning of lower high. And I say this just because, like, we have, oh no, I didn't want to do that. I just wanted to. So bullish candle, bearish candle, bullish candle. It kind of made support on the 4 hour. Okay. Damn. Okay, let me see where I can place this support level. Because now what I'm just now realizing is that support was actually created on the 4 hour right here. I didn't see that before, to be honest. And let's see. Make it nice and clear. Trying to find a nice support level where it makes sense. Yeah, it don't really make sense. So I think this is like the most accurate support level that I could have for this area, which is cool. So let's say that this is like the 4 hour support level for right here. Now all of a sudden we have a bearish candle break. Then we have, this is a doji, so I don't know if it really counts. But if in 2 minutes this closes like this, it'll be really, really good for, okay, yeah, maybe we can continue to go bearish, We can even put a little, I mean, technically we're still bullish. So this would be more like a, I don't know what you would call this, trend line, counter trend line. There you go, right here. Just something light, something light. Bearish. I'll keep that there. And also, mainly because of also where we are. in price overall, which is why I'm looking at that. Now to look at gold. So yesterday, price was pummeling all the way down, but even though it passed this level, I kept saying like, but I can't take long-term like target negative 27% if price doesn't break this level, because you know, higher high, higher low, legit higher low, because it's like negative 38 point or 38.2, right? 38.2, boom, right? So we continue higher high, higher low, like 88.6, higher high. This is a higher low. However, again, it's like just because price breaks this, it doesn't mean that we're going to continue bearish, because although it is legit structure point, we did not create a higher high from this level. That's what I was trying to say. We didn't create a higher high from this level. So I personally wouldn't consider it a structure point where if it breaks this, throw out the bullish fibs. It's not like that yet. And so, we see currently that price hasn't broken this level yet. And in 1 minute, nah, like it just hasn't broken this level. You would literally need a bearish candle close under here and another one under here. And I don't know if that's going to happen today. It could. It definitely could. It's just hasn't happened as of yet. Okay. Ew. We did just have NFP forecast was way less. Oh, so that's bad for the US dollar. Oh, I didn't do this. It's bad for the US dollar because the actual was way less than the forecast. Then I think that would cause price on gold to go bullish. But then again, when are things like always fundamentally based? Anyways, like this is what I'm seeing for right now. I did kind of I don't even know if it matters too much. Like I have this area marked off because I was watching it the entire time, because I'm still looking for buys, and this is the 100% level to me. So the whole time I'm like, okay, we have lower highs, boom, we break that. We shouldn't close underneath here now, and we haven't. So it's just a matter of, it can continue bearish, yeah, but you know, we'll see what happens. Yeah, we'll see what happens.